Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today's question is, what is the main reason for spiritual standstillness in our life? This is the most important question for all real spiritual seekers. Our life is most precious one. In this life, we want both worldly progress as well as spiritual progress. Normally in our life, we give more importance to worldly progress. But it is not correct. Because our worldly life is not permanent. By neglecting spiritual progress, if we give maximum importance to worldly progress, then as time passes, one day we will feel emptiness in our life. Therefore, we must give equal importance to both worldly progress and spiritual progress. In this world, most of the people will do worship of God every day. But the fact is, their spiritual progress is not up to their expectation. Even after 25 years of spiritual journey, they feel spiritual standstillness in their life. Why it is so? This is because of lack of earning, lack of strong burning desire for God. That is why our Shastra says, Ajata Paksha Iva Mataram Khagaha Stanyam Yatha Vasatara Kshudharta Priyam Priyeva Yushitam Vishanna Manoravindaksha Didrukshate Tvam. अजातपक्षा इव मातरं खगाः. Here Shastra says, as fledglings eagerly waiting for their mother's return, स्तन्यं यथा वत्सतराः क्षुधार्ताः. As hungry cows long for their dam's udder, प्रियं प्रियेव युषितं विषण्णा. As faithful wife anxiously awaits the return of her long separated husband, so does our mind should have strong, burning desire for God. If so, we can easily attain the spiritual goal in this very birth itself. Therefore, we can clearly conclude that the lack of earning, the lack of strong, burning desire for God is the main reason for spiritual standstillness in your life. For all of you, this is the today's hitopadesha. सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. नारायण नारायण नारायण.